There were some tractors that did not make the auction. He still had a few. There is Parts Row, and he will sell them for scrap price. Now I'm making this video. Hopefully I could find some interest in some of the stuff. I think I might buy the 350. In fact, I'm pretty sure I might. This is part of the sale or not, but this is a 350 Wheatland Special. See the wide fenders on it? This has got a loader on it of some description. I don't know why I don't think this is part of, I hope this is part of the auction anyways. I hope these don't go as scrap, because these are very rare tractor 350. Someone put a 3-point hitch setup on it, but it's a 350 Wheatland Special. I don't think this is that part of the sale though. So I have to talk to him. Here's a Farmall M. This has got the hydraulic valve with it. I'll get the serial number. These are parts tractors. Oh, this is FBK 4000, so this is still a 39. Yeah, look at the seat. This is a 39 Farmall M. Here, this looks like this I think is a 2236. This one's been frozen broke. Here, this is a 1530. Steel wheels on now. Here's a WD9. Here's the engine for it and stuff. Here's a W9. An early one was a single piece gear shift. They actually had cut off front, so it had steel on the front at least. Yeah, fit 3349, so it's an early W9. Here's another W9. This one I think is a later. This one's another early dyne with a single piece gear shift. Here's a WD9 right here. This one's actually pretty decent. Here's an L110. Here's a 650. This one's got some stuff missing off of it, but it's a 650. Uh, 4171J is the serial number. Here, this dyne's got a good tire on it, a real good tire, 16934. The W9 gas, this is a liter with the 3-piece gear shift. The tires are good on this. It's worth buying this tractor, it's worth getting the tires off it. WCB 4384, so it is an early 9, but early ones could have a triple piece gear shift. This is optional on this style gear shift is optional on early tractors and standard on later ones. So this is a very early tractor. So there's 3 W9s, a WD9 650 and a 350 Wheatland. All these, and then there's a 1940M and 2 1530s. All for scrap price. Anyone interested, let me know.